MNY stock. Tomorrow, Tuesday and onward, is it a bar now? Let's see what is Honey Hero Limited stock going next. Honey Hero stock is sitting at 236, a crazy 63.5% increases in price. It's absolutely mental, but like nonetheless, looking at MNY, let's just to give you context, I'm using my strategy that has given me thousands of wins only 2023, so Honey Hero Limited, it's still a very bearish trend. I mean, all I can see is just some like triangular pattern happening right here, honestly, this is it a bearish trend? No, because we just tapped in some demand areas here. I'm still going to mark out this high as like kind of the target. I'm already late here, so I'm not really taking any trades because I don't like the volatility 1 and 2. I mean, it's already kind of went without me here. It is not like I would have taken a trade here. So I mean, if it still starts giving me, and only if it gives me the accumulation, then is the only price that the only way that I'm actually going to be bullish. So check out the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.